we've got a breakout on the JPEG'd token. By the way, the current price is 0.004 cents. Let me know what the price said when you were watching the video. Is it up or down from this point? It's up by 15% for the day. Volume is at $12 million, up 117%. You can buy them a bunch of exchanges. I actually talked about MEXC because I'm sponsored by them to add them to it as fast as possible. By the way, if you trade tokens on MEXC using my link in the description down below, you can actually get a free Tesla Model 3, which is pretty cool, I would say. So we'll be talking about the JPEG token. We'll do a price analysis, price prediction. But before we start, just slap the like button or I'll slap you subscribe if you want to learn about the hottest, newest tokens and price predictions every single day, brought to you on your computer, phone, and mobile device. Let's talk about it. This video is no financial advice, by the way. Just a random dude on the internet. We've got a breakout pattern appearing for JPEG, which is really cool. You can easily see that we just broke the all-time high that was, by the way, placed by snipers at the beginning of the token at the beginning of March. We had snipers going in, pumping the token, and people just shorted close positions, and the real accumulation happened between the 7th of March to around the 21st, after which we had a mini breakout pattern following just crazy momentum pulls to the upside. There is nothing stopping the token right now, and the question is, how far can we go? So here is my price prediction. I believe that the depth can be as high as the zone from the last breakout. We've seen that pattern work very well as a price target for uncharted territories. So my price prediction for the JPEG token would be somewhere around this area right here. So the 5,400 and something area, which is around 30% from here. Let me just mark that in. And then we might see a correction. It might pump more, might pump less, 20-ish% increase. This is what I believe in. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you want me to make more JPEG price predictions, let me know in the comment section down below. See you next one. Bye.